Hey everybody, I want to say hello and happy holidays coming up. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving and you have a wonderful holiday season coming up in December. I'm preparing for the auction, an Art Healing Hearts auction group on Facebook, and so I'm going to post this video in the group and on my regular profile, and I just want to share really quickly the pieces I created for this show, and it's going to be Friday and Saturday, and my day is Saturday, December 2nd, from noon until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So for just 10 hours. I've got right now 8 pieces, and I don't think I'll have any more, but I might slip one more in, you never know. But I wanted to just share really quickly the resin pieces that I created for this event. So they're all kind of Christmas inspired. Here's the first one. This is a snowman resin tray, 13 inches. It weighs a couple of pounds. It's got red crystal knobs. It's got this shimmering red, green, and white kind of candy stripe kind of feel. This is a little snowman figurine that is mounted into the resin. It can be used for decorative or serving a piece. That's the first one. Here's the second one. This is Santa gnomes, and kind of the same kind of pattern in the middle, but instead of something in the middle, I put 2 little figurines, 2 little Santa gnomes, and they are the handles that are embedded into the resin, and it's a resin tray. It's got gold sparkles around the edges and a little gold in the middle. So that's tray number 2. Tray number 3 is a Santa gnome, and there's some ornaments, Christmas balls, and green crystal knobs, and kind of a poinsettia design, and it's got a white shimmering background and gold edges. And so here is the Santa gnome sitting on the poinsettia. I never know how to say that. The one I just finished, which I think is so cute. This is Naughty and Nice, the Grinch. And the colors are inspired by the Grinch colors and the red, the colors that he's wearing. Red crystal knobs, kind of the green glass bits around the edge to give it some sparkle. It's very shimmery, hard to tell in these kind of lights because I'm doing this at nighttime. But and he is embedded in the resin. He's not going anywhere. And all these trays are 13 inches, and they all weigh. This one is probably over 3 pounds. It's super heavy. The next one is, I just called it Frozen, and it's got just beautiful shimmering turquoise blue colors and white shimmer, and kind of a glittery confetti holographic kind of edging, and in the center, and it's got these beautiful little aqua crystal bubble knobs for the handles. So that one. And the last tray that I have right now is the one I just finished, and I really, really love it. The color is just to die for. It's shimmery, kind of a sapphire was the color of the mica by this little piggy, and so it's a deep blue. And then I hand drew in and gold leafed the snowflake that is underneath a layer of resin, so it's all flat and smooth, and it's got little gold glass bits that are around the edges and the brass handles. And this is the other tray, and then 2 more. One that is just a flower petal shaped red resin bowl with some gold accents. Got some gold shimmer, a little bit of streaks of gold, and some glass bits all embedded in the resin. Little kind of petaled edges And it's about 13 inches across as well, and about 4 to 5 inches deep. And the last bowl is also a 13 inch, but it's a little bit deeper, and it's kind of got that feeling of the Christmas candy, ribbon candy kind of feel, the shimmery red and green colors, white sparkling, got red glass bits around the edges, and it's a nice firm sturdy bowl. So these are made out of resin. They're not glass, so they're harder to break. They're more durable. And so everybody that participates in the Art Healing Hearts auctions group and on my show day on Saturday, whoever comments on any of the pieces, you're going to get a point for every comment you make in my show on my pieces. And then I'm going to tally up those names and points. Like, let's just say your name is Sally and you comment 5 times, you'll have 5 chances. And I'm going to spin a wheel and do a giveaway. And the giveaway is a gift certificate, which just is, it says it's a $75 value. And you can contact me on Facebook. You can email me if you win this. Got my email on it. I will send it to whoever the winner is. I'll send an image to you. And it's good until June 1st of 2024. And you can use it towards a future auction piece, or you can use it for a commissioned piece of art or a commissioned piece of resin or a pet portrait or anything you want it to go towards. It'll be a $75 gift certificate that's going to go to one winner, but it'll be a random picker. It won't be that I pick the person who makes the most comments. It'll be everybody goes into a wheel. I'll spin the wheel with all your numbers that you commented, and wherever it lands, the random winner will get the $75 gift certificate. So thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the show, and come join in on the whole weekend. It's full of beautiful pieces by 7 artists, including me, and I think you'll really, really enjoy it, and I look forward to having y'all there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.